Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Nonghikai deficit bala shong thaj habok Kshatri jo Meghalaya Retired Deficit School Teachers Association Kilardawa ng Sorkar Jilla ban kintiu ya ka debt kam retirement gratuity naka lai point san laktingka shaka shipau laktingka lot kom jo ban kintiu ya ka bai bam Tymmen habakran chikila pathai khubor president ka MRDSTA ba I nong siang ulaya thu ba nadu arajar arphau ka seng Kaladawa na ka Sorkar Jilla ban kintiu ka DCRG na ka lai point san lak shaka shipau laktingka Haduh Haduh Mynta ka Sorkar kampat shimi kinu gisinja ban kintiu ya ka DCRG Uba nong siang ulaya thu bagi don kumbala hajarut Nonghikai deficit bala shong thaj Haduh Haduh Mynta kimpat yo ya ka bai bam Tymmen wala dan na pedeng Nonghikai bala shong thaj la parat arphau snem Shu la benrap da ka baong ba ka Sorkar Jilla kala kintiu ya ka DCRG hindai tang na kabenta Nonghikai ki basong thaj na du usnam arajar khatnyo Haduh arajar arpuar hindai ka seng kadawa na ka Sorkar ban kintiu lang ya ka DCRG na kabenta Nonghikai ki basong thaj haswa usnam arajar khatnyo pada hadian usnam arajar arpuar habayde bat ke bai bam Tymmen uba nong siang ulaya thu ba ka tenat pulih puthi kalapan create da ka Meghalaya Non-Government Deficit Schools and Teachers Employees Rule arajar arpulai hindai Haduh Mynta ka Sorkar Jilla Empat ai ke jing menjur. Ulai turu baka kenhun kalaya kendu yu menteri rang ba ke Jilla. Baru bala ong baki Nonghikai deficit ki ha baka sanction post. Kidon ka hok bansya kentop lang. Hakani ka rule arajar arpulai. Handai kani kala susah akut klempoi syai. Ulai turu bau menteri rang ba ke Jilla ula kular. Handai Haduh Mynta ka Sorkar Jilla kampat ai ke jing menjur ke Meghalaya Non-Government Deficit Schools and Teachers Employees Rule arajar arpulai. Syur nak kalian kini ngilam play tu. Masyan kin salit ban IT ke jing tho ban pen kan mau ya ka Sorkar ya ka ega bakala kular ban Pynurlong
Association was formed in 2019 and we have taken up mainly two agenda for our association that is the DCRG and pension, the debt cum retirement gratuity and pension. What happened is that the government has enhanced the DCRG for the teachers only of 1/1/2017 up to 31st March 2022. And so we have written to the director that he should consider also for those teachers who retired before 2017 and also for the teachers who retired after 2017. This DCRG is a gratuity given by the government to the retired teachers. It was only 3.5 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, and until this year they have enhanced it to 10 lakhs. This was due right from the Fourth Pay Commission and Fifth Pay Commission, but the government has not done that. And now they are going to enhance that ceiling for the DCRG up to 10 lakhs, but only for the teachers who retired within the period of 2017 to 2022. So we have written to the director that he should enhance the ceiling for DCRG right from before 2017 and also after 2022. 2017 also they should be eligible, and the teachers who retired after 2022 also they should be eligible for this enhancement. And then the main point, the main agenda of our association is pension. You know, we have made so many representations, memorandum submitted to many education ministers and even to the chief ministers also many times we have met. But it seems that the government is delaying it. They do not grant the pension as we have demanded from them. And there is a draft scheme of pension. It is known as a draft scheme of pension for Meghalaya non-government deficit schools and teachers employees rule 2023. And this also has come out from the department, but it is yet to be approved by the government. It is just a draft. It is not yet approved by the government. Therefore, we have requested the government through the director and the commissioner of secretary education. As we have met already the chief minister, he has directed us to meet officials, and he has assured us that since we are holding sanction posts in the deficit schools, so we are eligible also for pension. But that assurance is still pending. The officers have not been able to project it to the government for approval. So we are waiting for that. So now today we are met together here in Jail Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, to discuss more on this. And we are going to hold another meeting in Garo Hills. We had a meeting about 3 weeks ago in Tura, where a large number of retired teachers attended. Then again, we are going to hold a meeting in the month of March, maybe, in the month of March, and they're in Garo Hills. And if we find that the government is still delaying to our demand, then we may go for some kind of agitations after the month of March next year, 2024. Because you have seen our teachers, they are old, most of them, they have no money, they cannot travel even to Shillong, and we also cannot go to Garo Hills. So we are struggling, we are living a life of destitution and penury. We are living a very pathetic, uncomfortable and miserable life at the twilight of our lives. And we were once upon a time a very we were once upon a time the members of society who were living a dignified life. But now we are really struggling, and therefore we urge the government, we plead the government that they should also take up our demand and grant pension, so that at least we can live a very decent life without disturbing our children and the society. We are at present begging from our children and from the society to carry on living. So we would like that the government take up our issue so that we can live a decent life by ourselves with pension. Give me the representation, the writing in writing, so that I can take up the matter at his level. So we have written, but we will submit in the near future. We'll submit that same thing which I have said already.
Sir, can you mention this? One circulation was given by the Under Secretary to the government, and this our director has already sent proposal, and this gratuity will be effective from 1/1/2007, but it is effect 1/1/2017. We want to get clarification of this order and that order.
Yeah, that's why we have written here for that, because we would like that the teachers who retired before 2017 also, they should be eligible.
Eligible.
Yes.
Okay.
Enhancement of the feeling. In Dang Aikaway, Tang Chief Minister, the last one was Haduh Banai November.
Like this.
On the 14/11/2022. 22, yes. And another one, 8th of March 2022. Then, the next one will be in, yes. The last one was on the 18th of October. October, yes, 2023. This year only. We met him and we submitted the memorandum to him also. In March also, we met the Chief Minister. In March 2023 also, we met him. And last year we met him in Maudiangyan also. And we submitted the same memorandum again and again. We have submitted to the government through the Chief Minister. So, but
Basically, government is
Yes.
telling we will discuss.
he has assured us that since we are holding sanctioned posts in the schools, so we are eligible for pension. That's what he said.
O founder president Jongka Kasi Jentari School Teachers Association udang
Dan
o founder president babu play version Tymmen ta kumnung im beri belas spearhead ya kereka education menyo banwan ra ya ke jinglong ke education hak por hendring sosi ban ong pemerintah ke education tu ya citra ngal boleh bantah ki badai ban wan je kam hikai bakwa ban wan habaki ke jingyo baki kata ka security jo ki kamdan di kampung seluruh ke kita ki quality ki balong qualified teachers mo ki wanten ta ki arung tu ki wamyo kam ki arung hari ke juk ki bur ki kmi pakin umpa lagi college jo ki wan maro ki ke struggle jungi kalong kaba Haduh kata kam tam ta ngai ngai phong ini ke juti bisong thai isu tu bang da kalong nilai kendo ikan ni duduk ni bangi orang tanya ni ke Sorkar orang nilai kendo nilai kerja sepanjang ni ke pension nak duduk por kecil
Mensua.
nilai kendo mengajar duduk por mensua hari por bangi kermau ngi race yang kendo buci besar barem mensua ngi race ya kau usau sun berulang emotional but dapat recall hak silang time sih kami kedua di ubor likely ke dan front page bau emotional uyam recall lagi jinge ki Nonghikai ki do kam tam parent aja the peak pa bari ta ka mi shong time so kede 2015 March 11 for assembly ti kita ki digi bang ya kun na do men shwa ni do ta no ka so si bang hap kan toru ki no mi khat ba program jingi ki sep sansnem ki ayo ya ka Dari ke tulok jingi ke ka baret ba ka ke ru ngimyo mita ka ni ka pel ka jingi kun kani ka pe je ke set kala kham shubiang ri quality kabarit ba tingim dar ba tamin sip ya ka pisar
What dia
ba ban age jinang star ki khonu bisem ni hikai ki khonu ki we bisong no ya ki khonu pai ba ri kat ba ya ledi ka di ka ba kun man kun biang tikani ka ba lara ki kwa ki education kan ki kamu government ka di ban address ke kini ki issues ko dan kam tam je ki Nonghikai yang ingin tip ini anu miak melai ngintip hari ini perkat mereka mi perkat tang tai ladi mengikir kemudian perkat ke education juga state beroi bahkan kieu te apakah education makan kieu komod ngidut kam ke Nonghikai ke betul betul wan kita Nonghikai bari banwan kinwan kumno apa kata kapi bani aru ni habmi surok habi hasyo ya selai bom ya bom ya tiet kita ada ki wa ini solusi ban kunto kemungkinan mak mata ring lah most station type aktif 60-70 plus ngai don nyami banyak kunru ngimla balai rumla banyak ya banyak yang mantaki kiwan ke prina do garo sunspa kilo tari jang kiwan da kamdei bakidon ke jing kinuman kita kali ke jing ke baka Sorkar kapan perkat kinong mikwan badon buromi ki policy mereka ni dar kim address ke education ka state kanum kilo no
so many. There are less than 1,000. But if we include the primary, because we include the primary and the upper primary also, so altogether maybe around 3,000 retired teachers. All together, right from the lower primary up to the higher secondary.